So to prepare decile-wise lift chart, we're going to use pivot table. Okay. So here is our data set. Insert pivot table, and the range goes from A4 through A206. Okay. And we will put this pivot chart right here. Okay. Okay, so we need two. We need the predicted value and the average. So you need first divide the number of cases, okay, going 1 through 202. Okay, we have to divide that into 10 equal parts. So we group them. Right click here and group. So this is going to be kind of a little well, 202 and by 20.2. So divide the ending value by 10. So you'll have 10 equal parts. Okay. So now you bring in the predicted value and place the predicted value here. Okay. So what you have here is sum of the predicted value. And then you want the sum of the average value. So sum of the average value right there. Okay. So for each of the 10% of the cases, we have the sum of the predicted value and sum of the average value. Okay. So now you find the ratio. Okay. So that will be H33 divided by I33. Okay, so now these numbers are not exactly the same as you see in the Word document. That's because the separation between the validation and training set is not the same when I did it, when I prepared the notes, and when we're doing it now. Okay. So now we plot these ratios as a bar chart. Okay. So change that. .6. Then this is decile lift chart validation or validate data set. Okay, and the x-axis is your decile, and this is decile mean divided by global mean. Okay. So once again, here you want the top deciles, okay, to have a really large ratio compared to 1. So The ratio 1 means it's just as good as the average. Okay. It's not any better than the average. Okay. So this ratio, the larger the ratio is compared to 1, the better it is. And you want that to be at least in the top 2 or 3 deciles. You want that ratio to be as large as possible. And that differentiate, I mean, that gives you better performance. The larger it is, the better performance you have with the predictor model.